everyone. Welcome to Delight's English classes. Today in the grammar section, we are going to study articles. Articles are three in English: a, an, and the. There are three articles: a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. Now, where do we use a and an, and how to use a and an? Our today's topic is how to use a and an and where to use a and an. There are two types of rules in the use of a and an. Some general rules are there and some exceptional rules are there. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the general rules for the use of a and an. Let's start with it. General rules. Rule number 1, we use a before all the words which start with a consonant. So, a का use हम उन सारे वर्ड्स के पहले करते हैं जो वर्ड्स कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं. रूल नंबर 2, we use an before all the words which start with a vowel. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So very quickly, we use a before all the words which start with a consonant, and we use an before all the words which start with a vowel sound. So, these are the general rules. Now, let us take some examples for the filling of the articles. So, let me give you a very good tip for that. When we have to fill the articles, we should consider the first word after the blank. We should consider the first word after the blank, and in the first word we consider first letter of that word. So in the first sentence we are going to hide left side of the blank and we are going to see the right side of the blank. First word on the right side is bag, and first letter of the first word is B, which is a consonant. So we are going to fill A here because B is a consonant, and we use the article A before all the words which start with a consonant. Same coming to the second example. After the blank, the first word is finger, and first letter of the first word is F. It is also a consonant. So we are going to use the article A before it. Third example is, there is a dash parrot in the cage. So after the blank, the first word is parrot, and the first letter of parrot is P, which is a consonant. So we are going to fill the article A before it. Coming to the fourth example, there is dash orange in the basket. So first word after the blank, this is the blank, and the first word after the blank is orange, and first letter of that word is O, which is a vowel. So before the vowels in general ruling, we fill the article an. So the answer will be an for the blank. Coming to our last example, there is a dash ice cream parlor on the corner of the street. So the first word after the blank is starting with I, which is a vowel. So we are going to put the article an before that. So once again children, I am going to revise it. In the article section, there are three articles: a, an, and the. A and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. General rules, we use a before all the words which begin with a consonant. हम सारे वो शब्द जो consonant से start होते हैं उनके पहले आर्टिकल ए का यूज करते हैं। जो सारे वर्ड ए ई आई ओ यू यानी वॉवल से स्टार्ट होते हैं उनके पहले हम आर्टिकल एन का यूज करते हैं। एग्जाम्पल्स, once again I am repeating the tips over there। जब भी कोई ब्लैंक में हमको आर्टिकल फिल करना होता है तो हम ब्लैंक के जस्ट बाद वाले फर्स्ट वर्ड को देखते हैं। फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर कंसीडर करते हैं, वो कॉन्सोनेंट है कि वॉवल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको क्या फिल करना होता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको यहाँ पर आर्टिकल्स फिल करने होते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वर्ड आफ्टर द ब्लैंक इज बैग एंड द फर्स्ट लेटर, ध्यान देना, first letter is B and B is a consonant, so we are going to put the article A before it. In the second example, first word after the blank is finger and finger is starting with F, which is also a consonant, so we are going to put the article A before it. Third example, we have the word after the blank is parrot. Parrot is starting with P, which is a consonant, so we are going to fill the article A in the blank. Fourth example is there is dash orange in the basket. After the blank, the first word is orange and it is starting with O, which is a vowel, so we are going to fill an over here. Again, in the last sentence, there is dash ice cream parlor on the corner of the street. So, after blank, the first letter is I, which is a vowel. So, we will fill the article and before it. That's all we have discussed today. The general rules for the filling of the two articles, two indefinite articles A and an. In tomorrow's video, we are going to discuss about the exceptional rules for the use of A and an. Till then, goodbye.